Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to solve two mini attempts. Try again later. Do you know how to fix or how to solve two mini attempts? Try again later. You should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to CapCut and you will enter. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.